welcome back everybody! I see you're back for more easy and healthy recipes. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I make the spaghetti squash the lazy way, because nobody's got time to roast that spaghetti squash in the oven for 2 hours. So I'm gonna show you the super simple, super easy recipe. Now I know you're probably thinking, spaghetti squash doesn't sound that appetizing. Well, you know what? I will show you the recipe that you will love, because not only this vegetable is filled with nutrients and minerals that provide you the energy that you need, but it's also low carb. Spaghetti squash can totally substitute the regular spaghetti that you eat. Whether you're doing the low carb thing, or you're trying to reduce your calorie intake, or saving those calories for something better, you can totally do that. And it only takes 10 minutes. Seriously, this recipe is super simple, super easy, so keep watching this video if you're interested on how to make it. Come on! But before we get started, let's give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel here. Or here, or down below, because I make healthy, nutritious, and delicious recipes and also share with you my secrets and all of my tips and tricks on how to stay healthy and fit.
So here's my little spaghetti squash. First of all, I'm just gonna poke some holes in the skin to prevent it from exploding. Then placing it in a bowl and microwaving it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna turn it over and microwave it for 5 more minutes. Now I'm gonna make the sauce. First, I'm gonna chop up some zucchini and celery. Both zucchini and celery are low carb, so they're also great to use if you're trying to limit your carb intake. Now I'm gonna saute everything in some olive oil. Now adding the pasta sauce and stirring everything up. Also, a splash of water just to thin it out a little bit more. Now this is totally optional, but for my protein source, I'm gonna cook a Beyond Burger. I know they're not low carb, but they're delicious and I love them. Now the spaghetti squash will be ready when it becomes soft. If it's still pretty solid, you may need to microwave it for a couple more minutes. So now I'm just cutting it in half, and I'm gonna scoop out all of the seeds from the inside. Then it's very simple. I'm just taking my fork and scraping all of the squash out so it looks like spaghetti, just like this. Let's assemble my dish. I'm gonna pile on a lot of this spaghetti squash, and I'm not being shy with it because it's low calorie, low carb, and really I can eat as much as I want of it. Then right over the top, I'm gonna place this yummy tomato vegetable sauce. And here is my Beyond Burger. I just added some extra avocado and sprinkling some slivered almonds for a nice crunch. Let's give this a taste. Seriously, you guys, this is so good. So simple, so easy, healthy, low carb. You must give this a try. I promise you, you will love it. Thanks for watching.